Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asa if this is your first time here, but if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. On this video, I decided to do this turmeric mask that I've been seeing on YouTube for 5 days. So the past 5 days, every single evening, I've been applying this mask. So if you enjoy this video, then definitely leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is day one of trying out this turmeric mask. So I don't know guys, I think I'm coming down with a flu, so if my voice sounds weird, apologies. So we're going to put on this mask. It's day one today, and the ingredients that I have, it's just water, and I'm just using this container that I don't really mind if it gets stained, because apparently this spice really stains stuff. Also this t-shirt, I don't mind if it gets stains. And then so it's water and some turmeric and some lemon. So I'm just gonna start with pouring in the powder, just so you guys can see the whole process. So this is the water, and then some turmeric in there. Okay, yeah, I clearly don't need a lot of water, because then it will force me to use way more powder. So I have a brush here. It's one of the brushes that I don't really use, so I'm just gonna use it to apply this mask. This is a lot of water, guys. So I'm just gonna reduce the water again. A little more powder. So okay, still pretty liquidy, so I don't know how it's gonna work. But then let me just add in the lemon. I'm not gonna add too much lemon, because apparently lemon is very harsh on your skin. Just a little squeeze. That could be less than a teaspoon actually. So I've already cleaned my face, and yeah. Alright, okay. Okay, before we apply the mask, this is day one. As you can see my skin, hopefully I'm close enough. Like you can see the dark marks. I just had this breakout, I think today or last night. So I'm just trying to reduce the dark marks and the hyperpigmentation, especially in my under eyes. So let's see how it goes for the next 5 days. So okay, I guess it's fine, even though it's sort of like liquidy. Oh my gosh, my poor brush. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna use less water, because clearly you don't need that much water. This is day one. So I'm just gonna get as close as I can to my eye. Hopefully it doesn't irritate my eye, because I want the dark circles gone. Okay. Oh, such a messy job. And I just cleaned today, guys. Hopefully I don't mess up the floor with this yellow stuff. Ooh. It's definitely too watery. think I got my whole face. So we're just gonna wait for it to dry and then wash it off, and that will be our day 1. So hopefully you can see that it's dry. Okay guys, I just washed my face. It takes a while to wash that off, like you need to be really patient. So this is how my skin is looking, and this is day 1. I was just getting some Vaseline because like my lips are like so dry. Because I really need to wash this off, like seriously. The soap that I use really strips off everything off your skin, so even my skin feels really dry right now. So I'm just gonna go moisturize my skin, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Day 4, and we continue with the experiment. So as you can see, my skin, this is how it's looking. I still have that breakout from Saturday, yeah, because I started this challenge on Saturday. This is my skin, my under eyes. I think this part looks a little brighter compared to like Saturday. So this is my forehead. So I'm going to continue the challenge, and tomorrow is the last day. So yeah. This is my skin right after I just washed off the mask. As you can see, like I feel like this side looks much brighter than it did on Saturday when I started with this whole mask thing. just need to be patient. But anyway, yeah, still a few months. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the mask. Ooh. Washed off the mask, and this is day 5 of how my skin is looking. Excuse me. So this breakout is from Saturday and it's still here, but anyway, I feel like this part has gotten a little lighter, and then overall my face has gotten brighter, and also my forehead, it's gotten brighter, but I think it still needs a little more work. So as you've seen from the clips from the previous days, today is actually day 6, and I didn't apply the mask because I just feel like my skin needs a break. So this is how my skin is looking after 5 days of applying the turmeric mask, and I think the dark marks did start fading out. Excuse me. And I think the dark marks are starting to fade, and if I do continue with it consistently, maybe like twice a week or something like that, then I would definitely see much better results. So overall, I am happy with the results that I got, and my skin looks beautiful. It's glowing, even though it's still breaking out and stuff like that, but overall I'm happy with how my skin looks. And another thing that I really liked about the mask is that it leaves your skin feeling really soft. I felt that from the very first day that I put on the mask, like my skin was like a baby's bum basically. It was so soft. So I really liked that about the mask, and like I said, overall I'm good. I'm impressed. I didn't expect too much, and what I did get is impressive. So I'm not gonna say too much because that's the idea of this video, so that you guys can see for yourself and decide for yourself if you do want to try this mask. So if you did enjoy this video, it's a little something different, but it's still beauty overall. And if you did like it, please don't forget to leave me a comment, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.